Guys, if you are seeing this, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, like the video. I appreciate it. You will get updates as the projects here continue. What I've got here is tuna door that I've been repairing. I replaced all the coring and faired it out a bit and applied a layer of fiber yesterday, and it's all dry. And after the fiber's on, I put this peel ply on, which is pretty cool stuff. I'm always excited to use it. It leaves everything really manageable, really. One of the bigger problems with fiber glass when you're working with it is it gets a sticky film after the fact. After it's dry and everything, there's always this thin film on it that is not dry. It clogs up your sandpaper, your grinder, bits, all that. So you can basically count on wasting a few pieces of paper on almost every job based on that alone. So this right here is always worth it. There's no stickiness getting on my hands. I've got regular clothes on at the moment, so that's nice. And it also leaves everything just nice and flat, smooth. There's not much fairing to do on here. I might even normally you'd have to grind this. Probably just hit it with a sander, like 80 grit, something like that. Block these edges a little bit, but more or less it's ready for a gel coat. There might be a little bit of fairing on here, but I think I can add gel coat to that. Pretty interesting stuff, and there's nothing, I don't know if you can use this again or what it's made out of. It's not waxy, it's not, kind of seems like it's fiber already, but it's just not hardened up like the rest of this, basically, and it peels right off, obviously. So I don't know how that works, but pretty cool stuff. I'm a fan. I'm gonna continue this on another video real quick, get myself dressed up. So I don't know, again, go ahead, like this, share with your buddies, subscribe. You'll get a notification for the next one. I'm gonna go ahead and hit this with a sander like I said and do all that. So yeah, go ahead, like, subscribe, share, you know the deal. Thanks a lot, makes me happy.